Hello aspirants, welcome to my blog IAS with Mahesh. So today we will be discuss a current affairs related topic. So delimitation commission. This is a very important article because nowadays election going on. Recently, 5 states completed that election. So it is a little bit in news and update content also given this article. So let us start for this session. One person, one vote, one value. So the title. So political equality in liberal democracies is not only about equality of opportunity to participate in the political decision, like a political decision making process, but also about carrying a vote value is equal to the of other members of the community. According to the legal scholar Pamela Karlan, the right to vote can be diluted quantitatively and qualitatively by the redrawing the boundaries of the constituency in an electoral system. See, quantitative dilution happens when votes receive unequal weight due to his deviation in the population. So among the constituencies, qualitative dilution happens when your voters a change of electing a representative of their choice is reduced due to gerrymandering, redrawing of boundaries of favor a candidate or party. Thus, delimitation of constituencies play a major role in strengthening a weakened democracy. Safeguards. See, to avoid these dilutions, our consciences framers envisaged appropriate safeguards to ensure equal political rights for all citizens. Article 81 and 170 of the Constitution state that the ratio of the population for the Lok Sabha and state legislative assembly constituencies shall be the same as practicable. Article 327 empowers Parliament to make laws related to the delimitation of constituencies which cannot be questioned in the court of law. Based on this, the government forms an independent dimension delimitation commission headed by a retired Supreme Court judge to avoid a qualitative dilution. Article 330 and 332 guarantee reservation of seats for scheduled caste and scheduled type in the parliament and state legislative assemblies, which need to be kept in mind during delimitation. Delimitation of constituencies need to be carried out regularly, being based on the decennial census mention equality of the vote value as per practicable. So we will see another part. The government has constituted four delimitation commissions so far. So this is very important. It maybe it will come in the prelims question also, even men's point of view also you can mention this content. The government has constituted four delimitation commissions so far, 19 in 1952, 62, 72 and 2002. The first delimitation order in 1956 identified 86 constituencies as the two members constituencies, which was absoluted which was abolished by the two members constituencies abolition act 1961. The second delimitation order in 1967 increased the number of Lok Sabha seats from 494 to 522 and state assembly seats from 3002 to 3563. The third delimitation order of 1976 increased the number of Lok Sabha and stateless assembly constituencies to 543 to 3997 respectively, due to the fear of more imbalance of representation. The 42nd Amendment Act in 1976 froze the population figures of the 1971 census for delimitation until after the 2001 census. The Delimitation Commission Act of 2002 did not give power to the Delimitation Commission to increase the number of seats, but said that the boundaries within the existing constituencies should be rejected. The commission allowed up to 10% variation in the party principle, yet around 17 parliamentary constituencies and many more assembly constituencies violated this so that each representative could represent more people. But the fourth delimitation commission was able to resign reserved constituencies which increased the number of seats for SC from 79 to 84 and ST from 41 to 47 based on the increase in population. The moratorium was extended until the first census after 2026 for any further increase in the number of seats. So dilution of vote value. The population of Rajasthan, Haryana, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, and Gujarat has increased by more than 125% between 1971 and 2011. Whereas the population of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Goa, and Odisha has increased by less than 100% due to stricter population control measures. This is also reveals a huge variation in the value of vote for a people between state. For example, in UP, in Madhya Pradesh, on average represented around 2.53 million people, whereas in Tamil Nadu and Madhya Pradesh represents on average around 1.84 million people. A quantitative dilution. The qualitative dilutions of vote value parity can be used as a tool sideline or make insignificant the value vote, votes of minorities. This can happen in the three ways. The first is carrying where areas dominated by minorities are divided into different constituencies. The second is stacking, where the minority population is submerged within constituencies where other are the majority. And the third is packing, where minorities are packed within a few constituencies. Their strength is weakened everywhere also. The qualitative dilutions of vote value was highlighted in the National Commission to review the working of the Constitution and the Sachar Committee report in a major of the seats reserved for SC by the Delimitation Commission 1972 to 76. The population of Muslim was more than 50% and also higher than the SC population, and constituencies which had a large SC population and a lower Muslim population were declared unreserved. This has a major impact on the number of Muslim representatives in parliament. At present, the share of Muslim MPs in parliament is only around 4.42 percentage, whereas the Muslim population is 14.2 percentage. Delimitation cannot be postponed further as it will lead to more deviation in the population representation ratio. At the same time, the interest of the southern state have to be protected as their representation in the parliament might weaken due to more seats being assigned to states with a high population growth. Along with addressing quantitative dilutions of vote value, the next delimitation commission needs to address qualitative dilution so that minorities are represented more adequately. Along with addressing quantitative dilutions of vote value, the next delimitation commission need to address a qualitative dilution so that minorities are represented more adequately. So this is the very important article for a delimitation commission because nowadays so much news coming for these things. So definitely how to remember this one. If it is possible, you can make it a separate notes for this topic. So today this is the article for Hindu. So tomorrow we will see another article. Till then, bye bye. Please like and share and subscribe this video who are preparing for the competitive aspirants, so you can send to them. It is better useful to them also. Okay, bye bye. See you tomorrow.